everyone, Ashley here, and today I am excited to bring you an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. Today I went shopping and got a few amazing pieces I wanted to share with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing the video, then just keep watching. Alright guys, here is the first of 3 items I am very excited about. And it is something small, but something I've been wanting to add on and embellish a bag that I already have. And it is the bandeau scarf. I saw a picture of this online and I fell in love. Obviously, I have an obsession with leopard. So when I saw this, I had to have it. The cool thing about this is, as you can see on this side, it is a leopard background with a monogram on top of it. And if you flip it over, it's the monogram background with the leopard inside the monogram symbols themselves. So the cool thing about this is you can wrap it and mix it up and make it look different, or you can just wrap it so it shows one side or the other. So I think this will be great to add on to my Speedy 40 that I have had forever now. And I just wanted a little something to spruce it up, and I know sometimes they put charms and different things on the bags, but when I saw this I knew it would be perfect. So that is the first item out of 3. Put him back in his little home. The next item is something I wasn't expecting to see, but when I saw it, I knew I had to have it. It is the Sarah wallet. It's in Noir color, and it is the embossed monogram, and I love this. It is a perfect size in my opinion. I have a smaller Givenchy wallet that I put my debit cards in, and then I have a bigger zip around wallet that's a passport style that you can put your passport and checkbook and all of that stuff in. But this is the perfect size, and if you're carrying an everyday bag that isn't huge, then this will still fit in it and still has room for your cards and checkbook if you want to stuff it in there as well. And I also love that it is not only accordion style, I think that's a classic and it's easy to have access to, but the top half of this is simple, and then the bottom half and the back is where it's monogrammed, and I just think that that's a perfect little touch that they put on it. It's a snap closure, and then if you open it, like I said, accordion style, you have the front pocket, the change pocket in the middle, and the back pocket, and plenty of room for your cards. I don't know who has this many cards. There's 6, 12, 18 places for cards, so you can put any kind of cards you could ever imagine in this wallet. And it's a great weight. I love, again, the snap closure, and on the back there's a nice little slim pocket as well. You can put, you know, receipts or even your checkbook inside there. So this is the Sarah Noir monogram embossed wallet from Louis Vuitton. This is number 2. Put her back in her little home. For the grand finale, last but certainly not least, they bring the big guns. This big puppy is a big box for a small item, but the item is definitely amazing. It is, drumroll, so excited. So excited about the small things. A pair of Frontrow monogram sneakers. I saw a picture of these online and I absolutely fell in love with them. I thought that they were so classic and unique. They weren't too much, they weren't too overwhelming, and when I went to see them in person, I was actually blown away at how much more beautiful they are in person than in the pictures online. They are a nice heavy weight. They are absolutely beautiful. They're not too monochromatic, which is the thing that I like the most about them. Because they have the monogram all over, I love that they broke it up with a white sole, the black laces, and then on the back they have the black patent leather. And I think that's just a beautiful touch. Of course, the gold, I believe these are grommets or gold embellishments that they put on the sneaker, I think just makes a beautiful little touch to any outfit. And another reason I love these is because they're casual enough to wear. You can wear them with shorts, or you can wear them with jeans, maybe a leather pant. You can wear them fall, spring, summer, any season. I just think they're a classic staple and everyone should have a pair. I personally got mine in a size 39. I usually wear an 8.5, but in sneakers and boots I tend to go up a half a size just because with socks I want a little bit more room for my feet. So this is the final unboxing of my items from Louis Vuitton, and that completes the unboxing for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and find me on my Instagram, Ashley_K, K-E-I. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.